What happens if you bought a property before marriage and you own it in your own individual name? And maybe now you've held it for 20 years and it's appreciated a lot in value. Now that you're doing the exchange, how do you deal with the fact that your non-titled spouse is now married to you and may want to be on the title to the replacement property with you? The same taxpayer requirement says that the taxpayer that owned the relinquished property needs to acquire the replacement property. And all of the exchange funds for that taxpayer need to be used exclusively to purchase that taxpayer's interest in the replacement property. This can be a little bit of a dynamic that you have to deal with, and it can complicate not only your transaction, but perhaps your marital harmony. If you want your spouse to be entitled with you, you may have to add cash for that spouse's proportionate share of the property, because your exchange funds need to be used for your proportionate share of the purchase. This is also a question that can be complicated by whether or not you reside in a community property state such as Texas, California, Wisconsin, or if the property is located in a community property state. When you have these questions, it's good to surround yourself with a good accountant, a good attorney, and of course a qualified intermediary, and we can help you resolve this.